Welcome to Love Act, where we explore the art of seduction and manipulation. Have you ever felt powerless when it comes to attracting women? Have you been rejected so many times that you've given up hope? Well, fear not, because we have the answer to your problems. We're going to teach you the 3 simple, yet highly effective, techniques to make any girl fall in love with you. But beware. What we're about to teach you comes from the dark world of psychology. These techniques are not for the faint-hearted. We take no responsibility for the consequences of your actions. So, if you're ready to delve into the darker side of love, then let's get started. First off, let's start with the most basic but often overlooked technique. Be confident. Confidence is sexy, plain and simple. When you approach a girl with confidence, you're telling her that you're sure of yourself and you know what you want. So, straighten your back, look her in the eye, and speak with conviction. And if you're feeling a bit nervous, remember this: fake it till you make it. Act as if you're the most confident person in the room, and eventually, you'll start to believe it yourself. Next up, make her feel special. Every girl wants to feel like she's unique and important. So take the time to get to know her on a deeper level. Ask her questions about her interests, passions, and goals. Listen to her answers and show a genuine interest in what she has to say. And don't be afraid to compliment her on the things you admire about her. Just be sure to keep it genuine and specific. Generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," won't cut it. Instead, try something like, "I love the way your eyes light up when you talk about your favorite hobby." Finally, be a little unpredictable. Humans are wired to crave novelty and excitement. So mix things up a bit. Plan surprise dates or activities that she wouldn't expect. Maybe take her on a hot air balloon ride, or go stargazing in the middle of nowhere. And don't be afraid to take risks. If you're feeling bold, go in for a spontaneous kiss or make a grand romantic gesture. Just remember to always respect her boundaries, and never push her too far outside of her comfort zone. And there you have it. 3 ways to make any girl fall in love with you. But, before you go and try these techniques out, we must warn you that they are not without consequences. Using these methods is akin to playing with fire. You may get burned. Love is a beautiful thing, but it's not something that can be forced or manipulated. If you're looking for genuine love, then you need to be genuine yourself. Be confident, be respectful, and most importantly, be yourself. Remember, true love can't be found through manipulation. It can only be found through mutual respect and admiration.